Hi, this is our Sprint 5 review for the Group 2 Course Planner by Marcus McClatchy, Ezekiel Ramirez, Matthew Baisden, and Aryava Sin. Sprint retrospective, we will be taking a look at our Sprint burndown chart and our Sprint Trello board. So on this burndown chart, we completed 15 cards out of 38. We completed 84 out of 94 points. We worked 15 out of 15 days, and our average daily burndown was 5.6 points. And now we will be looking at the Trello board. So for our complete branches, we have course button configuration, course list backend features, the API connection, and the course list, as well as course list style configuration. Burn down retrospective review. Things that went well was setting up the course list. Communication between team members was also good. Finding resources to connect the database backend with the front end was also good. Room for improvement. We could definitely include improvement in our multi-course page search UI, use updated documentation, find more recent tutorials, keeping all members up to date on the current task for the project, and updating our Trello board more frequently.
The breakdown of the labor. Uh, for me, I worked on the course list, the style configuration, course button for configuration, and the one I did not complete was the multi-course UI. Ezekiel did not complete the API connection. Matthew did not complete the exporting user data from Firebase. Arya did not complete the graduation progress page and the points consumed was 40 out of 56. The implementations for the first task, the multi-course page, the issue was the drop-down box was not responding to the submission button on the other web pages. For the solution for this thing would be to continue working on it and see what would be available. If not, stick with only one course to connect with.
And for our second impediment was reading and writing to the database. The reason for this was the functions for calling Firestore commands were not supported with our current VS Code installations, and an action we can take will be to look at more documentation and go over tutorials that explain how to create read and write functions as more recent. In our live feature demo, we will be demonstrating the course list and the backend updates.
So as far as the course list goes, this is set up as for keeping track of what courses are available, which ones are not. If you click one that's available that you completed it or are working on, it shows what other courses are available throughout the chart. And some courses requires two to be available, as seen here from this course to this course. It opens up this, and if you turn this one off, it shuts that one off, and this is vice versa for that one. So some courses requires two to be available, and it keeps track of all the courses and sees which ones are still available throughout, and then it works through like that. As far as the styles, this shows you which color variation it is. As far as general education, unique to whatever the major is, requirements, courses that are only offered in one specific semester, courses that are offered in two, and courses that are offered in both. Seen here.
And now for the user login page. If we were to log in or sign up a new user, it would update the database backend. So far, we have been able to introduce Sarah and Jack into our database of users.
For what we're planning for the next sprint, as we will go into the Trello to show what will be set up. So the things that will be set up for the next sprint is mostly every other list card that's in the backlog. So calendar for the courses, modifications to the UI pages, debugging, collect course info, the course UI, details, the course tracker, user profile page, create account and a login page, testing, improving the course flowchart list, and then whatever's in progress will be bringed over to the next sprint. What is going to be seen in the next sprint presentation as far as what's going to be actually being shown is the backend support login and sign up pages, graduation progress page, course detail page, secondary home page, which will be renamed from the multi-course UI page, and the user profile page. And that is the overall of our presentation.
Thank you for watching.